Every day you wake up, you get a new chance. Not a perfect one, not a guaranteed one, but a chance. A chance to start again, to do better, to say what you didn't, to leave what hurt you. Every sunrise isn't just light, it's forgiveness. It's the world saying, try again. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to show up. And maybe today you fall again. Maybe it hurt again, but maybe, just maybe, you'll take one step you couldn't take yesterday. You are not your past. You are not stopped. You're still becoming. So take a breath, look around, feel the wind, live just a little, because today, right now, is a new page and it's yours to write.